Hello and welcome to our program. My name is Russell Brand, President and Founder of Live Simulation Solutions, and I'll be your host today. Our mission is to provide training for workers in the healthcare industry by creating and performing live simulations with specific, actionable, and repeatable feedback in a safe, comfortable environment. Simply put, Live Simulation Solutions creates live role-play interactions to address your organizational needs. Our simulation process is based on the standardized patient paradigm employed in the Step 2 board exams, experiential learning theory, graduate research, and deep experience in the simulation field. This background ensures our process is researched, relevant, and effective. Properly designed, a simulation can address all 6 of the competencies designated by the Accreditation Council for Graduate Medical Education, as listed here. Our simulations all involve standardized patients. But what are standardized patients? Standardized patients, also known as SPs, are specialized performers rigorously trained in performance and feedback that portray a vast array of pertinent organizational circumstances in a true-to-life fashion for training healthcare-specific interactions and situations. Simply put, SPs will be the actors your organization will interact with. They will play the part of patient and furnish simulation participants with feedback. Let's take a look at an actual interaction. A major managed healthcare provider wanted to develop a workshop to help educate their primary care physicians in dealing with persons with developmental disabilities and their caregivers. LSS worked closely with the organization to delineate their goals and objectives. We then partnered with their subject matter expert to design and create a didactic and simulation that were complementary and synergistic. We give participants a base of knowledge in the didactic and then put that knowledge to work with a live simulation. Here's some background information on the clip you will see. You are going to meet with Phil Green. Phil is a person with developmental disabilities who hit a coworker and needs a note from his primary care physician to go back to work. His sister Carlene is his caregiver and is accompanying Phil to today's appointment. Your task as their primary care physician is assess Phil and determine whether he is fit to go back to work.
I want to go back to work.
Okay, and I have to see about that.
Real-time feedback is given not only from the SPs, but also from the facilitator and the audience, giving participants true immersive feedback. Recorded interactions can be made available to participants for post-workshop self-evaluation. All of this real-world experience with no real-world consequences. In addition to your own organization's metrics, these interactions will positively affect patient satisfaction, patient compliance, patient comfort, doctor-patient rapport, physician-family rapport. An increase in these metrics will lead to reduced litigation, reduced medical errors, reduced patient complaints. Here, we've provided an abbreviated list of possible simulations, such as medical error, difficult patient, and drug-seeking patient, just to name a few. If you don't see a simulation you'd like to run, remember, we can design anything you can imagine. Call us now at 267-226-7813 or email us at info@livesimulationsolutions.com to schedule a free consultation. You can also email me directly at russell@livesimulationsolutions for any other questions. For more information about our company, please visit our website at www.livesimulationsolutions.com. Any message will be returned within 24 hours.